Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we're going to draw and color someone very special. Numberblock 70, the rainbow one. He's full of color and full of tens. Are you ready? Let's go! First, draw a big square for his body, nice and neat. This is where all the tens will fit. Now, draw 7 horizontal lines from bottom to top. Count them with me. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, from 1 to 10, we're learning 7. 7 wonderful rows. Next, draw 6 vertical lines from left to right to make the grid. Next, let's make a grid. Draw 6 lines going straight up and down. Now we have lots of little squares. Number block 1.
I know, you're made of me. Lots of me.
Number block 70. Exactly 1. Let's count my tens together. 1 10, 10, 2 10, 20, 3 10, 30, 4 10, 40, 5 10, 50, 6 10, 60, 7 10, 70. Wow! 7 tens reach 70. That's a big number. Now for his face. Let's start with his big friendly eyes. Draw 2 large circles right near the top of his body. Next, put a smaller circle inside each of those big circles for his pupils. Numberblock 70 has eyes that are wide with wonder. Don't forget his eyebrows. Draw 2 zigzag shapes above his eyes to show how excited he is. And finally, a big happy smile below the eyes. Now, let's add his arms. Draw the 4 swirly arms on his left side first, then the 4 swirly arms on his right side. His arms are all up and ready to go. Next, draw his legs. Start with the 2 on the left side, then the 2 on the right side. Now for the fun stuff he's holding. Draw the cool X shape in his left hand. Next, his number badge. Draw a pentagon shape on his tummy. And finally, write the number 70 inside the pentagon. Great! Your drawing is ready. Let's get our crayons and make him super colorful. Okay, let's start with his face. First, let's find our black crayon. We'll color the eyes, just like in the picture. Make sure to stay inside the lines.
Let's draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting up this place. Now 2 big clouds so fluffy, floating in the sky.
Next, grab your multi-purple color. We'll use this to color in his awesome eyebrows. What a great color!
Draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting up this place. Now 2 big clouds so fluffy, floating in the sky. 1, 2, they're white and puffy, watching us fly by. Drawing, coloring, counting fun, a happy, happy day. From 1 to 10, we're learning. Hooray, 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 hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple.
Now, take your orange crayon and carefully color the outline of his mouth.
Make it bright and new. Now let's count some little things, the colors that we see. 3 little green trees swaying happy
And
as
for
can
his
be.
little tongue,
4 bright orange
grab your
flowers
red
blooming
crayon.
in a row.
Are
1,
you
2,
ready
3,
for
4,
some
watch our garden
serious
grow.
rainbow magic?
5 busy little
Let's
brown
color
bees
his
buzzing
body,
around the trees.
1 row at a
1, 2, 3,
time.
4. What a
We'll start
happy
at the
breeze.
very top of his left side and move across and down. The first row is red.
Let's
Say
add
it
some
with
friendly
me.
Animals, a puppy
R,
soft and sweet.
E,
6 little spots
D.
upon him from his head to his feet, and 7 little blue fish swimming in the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, happy as can be. Oh, drawing,
find your orange crayon. That's O-R-A-N-G-E.
8 purple grapes are hanging on a vine so tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to catch them all. And 9 red yummy apples in a basket deep and wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're happy feelings high. 10 tiny little stars are twinkling in the night sky's hue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All counting through.
The third row is sunny yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. It looks like a bright, happy sun.
My little hands are ready. What shall we make today? A world of colors waiting. Let's draw and then we'll play. Grab the crayons, markers too, a paper nice and white.
Now,
let's
color the fourth row.
with colors shining bright.
G-R-E-E-N.
Counting fun.
Green.
A happy, happy day. From 1 to 10 we're learning. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Let's draw a sun so golden, a big and happy face. That's one bright sun so shiny, lighting
Then
up
we
this
get a
place.
bit darker
Now two
with
big
the
clouds so
cool
fluffy,
cone blue.
floating in the
B,
sky. 1, 2, they're
L,
white and puffy,
U,
watching us
E.
fly by. Oh, drawing, coloring, counting fun. A happy, happy day. From 1 to 10 we're learning. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Red and blue and yellow, green and purple too. Imagine anything you dream and make it bright and new. Now let's count some little things. The colors
Then
that
we get
see.
it darker
3
with
little green
indigo.
trees swaying.
I,
Happy as can
N,
be. 1, 2,
D,
3, 4 bright orange
I,
flowers
G,
blooming in a
O.
row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow.
How many groups of 10 are in 70? Let's count one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You just drew and colored all 70 blocks.
Swimming in the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Happy as can be. Oh, drawing, coloring, counting fun. A happy, happy day.
And the last
From 1 to
are
10
purple.
we're learning.
P,
Hooray, hooray.
U, R, P, L, E. It's such a royal color.
Ready. What shall we make today? A world of colors waiting. Let's draw and then we'll play. Grab your crayons, markers,
Let's
to a
spell the
paper
number.
nice and white. Let's make
S,
a happy picture
E,
with colors shining
V,
bright. Oh, drawing, coloring, counting
T,
fun.
Y,
Happy, happy
70.
day.
Can you
From
say it
1
with me?
to 10 we're learning. Hooray, 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 hooray. Red and blue
I
and
feel
yellow,
so
green
colorful.
and purple
I'm the
too.
rainbow of tens.
Imagine
We're almost done.
anything you
Let's
dream
give his
and make
swirling
it
hands
bright
a
and
rainbow
new.
effect. Use a mix
Let's
of
draw
rainbow
a sun
colors
so
and
golden,
make them
a
look
big and
super
happy face.
fun.
That's one bright sun so
Now,
shiny,
use
lighting
rainbow
up this
colors for
place.
his
Now
arms,
two big
just
clouds
like in the
fluffy,
show.
floating in the sky.
Let's
1, 2,
spell
they're
the
white and
rainbow.
puffy, watching
R,
us fly by.
E, D, red. O, R, A,
Draw a sun so
N,
golden, a big
G,
and happy face.
E.
That's one bright sun so
Orange.
shiny, lighting up
Y,
this place. Now two
E,
big clouds so fluffy,
L,
floating
L,
in the sky.
O,
1, 2, they're white
W.
and puffy, watching
Yellow.
us fly by.
G,
Drawing,
R,
coloring,
E,
counting fun.
E,
A happy,
N,
happy day.
green.
From
B,
1 to
L,
10 we're
U,
learning. Hooray,
E,
hooray,
blue.
hooray,
I, N,
Red
D,
and blue
I,
and yellow,
G,
green and
O.
purple too.
Indigo. P,
Imagine
U,
anything
R,
you dream
P,
and make it bright
L,
and new.
E. Purple.
Now let's
Woo.
count some little things.
You
The
can
colors
mix
that we
these
see.
in creative
3
ways
little
to
green
color
trees
his
swaying,
arms
happy
and
as can
legs.
be. 1, 4 bright orange flowers blooming in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, watch our garden grow. 5 busy little brown bees buzzing around the trees.
Now use
1, 2, 3, 4,
multicolors for the
5, what a
axe
happy
and the pentagon.
breeze.
Use all your favorite colors to fill them in.
Let's add some friendly animals. A puppy soft and sweet. 6 little spots upon him from his head to his feet. And 7 little blue fish swimming in the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, happy as can
The
be.
very last part is his number. Find your orange crayon and carefully color the number 70 inside the bag. Hooray! You did it! Your rainbow number block 70 is complete and looks absolutely amazing. Great job! And remember, when you know your 10, you're unstoppable. See you next time for more number block fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.